Hi everyone, today's video is a quick overview of the new Big Shot Foldaway. This is the new Tim Holtz version of the Foldaway. The Foldaway has been around a few years now. Let me just move this box out of the way. The grey and white version has been around for a few years, and this new version is a Tim Holtz version, and it's in this lovely sleek black, which kind of ties in with his other accessories. There is already a sidekick in this lovely black. He's got other accessories like pokey tools, the die brush, so it's just tying in really. There will be also a new black version of the switch. The switch is the new, if you haven't heard of the switch yet, because it is brand new, this is the new plus size, so A4 sized electric machine, and there will be a black version of this. That won't be available, I think, March, April time, so another month or two for that if you want the black version. The white version is already available, and in the States actually I think there's also a pink blossom version already available. So if you're interested in the switch, I have got a video on that, so check that out. If you have a look at the list of my videos, you'll find that. But today we're just going to have a look at this black version. So I've got my original white version out just so you can see them side by side. There's not really much different between them. It is all about looks really. So the Tim version, it's got the same logo, but the Tim version has got a bigger logo and it's got his signature on. Other than that, the actual machine is the same. If you're not familiar with the Foldaway is the same size in terms of plates and platforms as the standard size Big Shot. So it's a 6-inch across platform. The plates and platforms are the same depth and everything. So if you've got a standard size Big Shot, you can switch your plates between the two. Cutting pads are exactly the same for either machine. So if you're buying replacement cutting plates, it's the same. Standard size Big Shot and Foldaway, same plates. So let's run through why you would want a Foldaway as opposed to the standard size Big Shot. The key thing really with the Foldaway is the Foldaway design and the fact that it's so compact. You'll see straight away, I've just popped this onto the plates and platforms, and you can see it kind of, the footprint of the machine is about the same as that. So that's, you know, like A5 size. It's quite compact. Even the handle folds in. So if you're storing this perhaps on a shelf or you know, tucked away, it's not going to take up much room. So this is the ideal machine perhaps if you are limited on space, if perhaps you're crafting in your dining room and you need to put everything away when you're finished. This would be a good option for you because it really doesn't take up much space. It's also great if it's a machine you want, you know, if you travel, perhaps if you go and craft with friends a lot, or if you've got a holiday home and you take your machine with you, then again this would be a good version because it is easy and portable. It's fairly weighty. It's not a light machine, but it is portable. And I'm glad it's not a light machine because, you know, when you've got a machine that's too light, it kind of wobbles about on your desk and it's quite hard to use. Whereas this is substantial enough. Same as the standard Big Shot, the regular size Big Shot. All the components in here, the rollers, etc., are all metal. So it's, despite the portable design, it's exactly the same inside as the regular Big Shot. So when you're ready to use your machine, you just push this little button at the side and that unlocks the handle and you can turn it down. When you're finished and you want to put it away, it's exactly the same. You just press that down and the handle will lock into place. You can put the handle either side of the machine. And then once you've opened that out, it's kind of locked in place again, so it's not going to sort of fold in while you're using it. So to use the machine, you literally just pop down the sides and then you push them in to lock them into place. And once they're locked, you've got a really sturdy platform for your die cutting. When you want to put it away, you just pull those out like so and fold away again. So when you're done and you're ready to go, it takes seconds to pop it all down. So let's lock those back in again. In terms of using the machine, it's exactly the same as the standard size Big Shot. I'm not going to run through in this video how to do everything, you know, what plates you need for thin dies, how to do a bigs, because I did a video last year on the white machine where I did all of that. So if you're thinking of going for this machine, you want to see how to use it, pop back and look at my other video, because I do go through all of that in there. But for this video, I'm just giving you a look at it really, and the lovely design, and just pointing out the few sort of slight differences between this and the white version. So that's the machine. Let's just talk about the plates and platforms. I've got my plates and platforms from my white machine here just to show you how they've been updated. So your clear cutting plates are the same for either machine, and for your regular big shot actually as well. For the plates, very simple machine to use. You've got a base platform. This is the base platform for the white older version. It's the same platform for the Tim Holtz version, but they have just slightly updated the imagery. Instructions are exactly the same, but just slightly different images. And then the thin die adapter, on the original version and on the standard size big shot, it's this mint colour for your thin die adapter. On the Tim version, they've done a lovely sleek black version that just ties in with the machine. You'll also notice there's a big warning on Tim's one telling you not to use this thin metal die adapter if you're using embossing folders. The instructions are on all the plates anyway, and it does tell you on the base platform that this would be the sandwich you need for for embossing folders, but he obviously wanted it even more obvious on his plates than it that perhaps is on the original one. So hopefully that's given you a good overview of the machine. As I say, I have got videos on how to use it, so have a look through my other videos. Also, if you're undecided about which Sizzix machine is right for you, I have done videos on all of them. We've got a full range of machines ranging from the small sidekick up to the plus and now the switch. So if you're unsure which is right for you, have a look through my other videos, because hopefully that will help you. The Tim Holtz version of the Foldaway is already available in all the usual Sizzix retailers. I'll put links in the description box to a few suppliers, both here and in the States. I'm in the UK. If you're interested in the black version of the Sizzix Switch, the new electric machine, the black version of that won't be available till I think it's end of March, beginning of April, but I think it'll probably vary where you are in the world. So if you're waiting for the Tim Holtz version of the Switch, then you'll have to wait another month or so for that. But the Foldaway is already available, so if you want to get hold of one of these, you can do straight away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.